Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. In today's video, we are going to be diving into an in-depth review, and we're going to be taking a close-up look at these VSelect Tattoo Needles by Easy Tattoo Supply. I will leave links for you in the description below so you can check out these needles on your end. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok all under the same name. I would truly appreciate the support on there as well. If you enjoy my channel or find my videos helpful, consider becoming a Patreon or purchasing a super thanks down below. I would truly appreciate the support as well. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. Right here in front of me, I have a small assortment of Easy Tattoo Supply VSelect Tattoo Needles. What I would like to do is begin with showing you all the packaging, and then from there we could take a close-up look at the needles themselves, and then we could dive into some performance angles and then conclude the video. And again, I want to encourage you, should you have any questions at all, drop them down below and I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Let's take a look at the boxes right here. So all of these are pretty much the same box design, but what does vary is the needle configuration and the color. So we have orange, white, and red. And this is the box right here for the orange. And I'm not sure the significance of the colors, but this is the size right here. So here we have a standard 11 round shader. And this is what the VSelect box looks like up close. Profile view right here. This is the top view of the box. And again, links will be for you in the description below. Right here, I have the needles already taken out. This is what the needle packaging looks like up close. So this is the blister pack for the cartridges. This is a standard 11 round shader. What I like is how this is dark. Typically I would just see this transparent. This company put a little bit more effort and changed the color of the blister pack, which is something I'm a fan of. And this is the needle inside, and all of them are essentially like that. The only thing that changes is the needle size. Right here we have the standard 11 round shader, standard 14 round shader. Here we have a standard 18 round shader. This is going to be a standard 11 round liner. This is going to be a standard 18 round liner, and then we have a standard 15 mag, a curve mag, and then we have a standard 23 mag right here, curve mag as well. Let's take a close-up look at the needles themselves. So right here, this is the standard 11 round shader, and here is the open tab. As you can see, there's a tab that comes up with no issues. And this is the needle cartridge. One thing that you'll notice too is the box, if it's orange, then it's going to have an orange cap. The white boxes are going to have a white cap, and then the red are going to have a red cap. I think that's cool. Attention to detail. Let's take a close look here. So the design is clean. I don't have any issues with the design at all. As you can see, we have a smaller than usual air hole right here. This is the design, and keep in mind this is going to be the standard 11 round shader right here. From my personal experience, these needles are well made. They do perform as well. I think out of all of these packs, I've only experienced one needle that it gave me an issue where this plunger bar got stuck down here. Other than that, I have not experienced any major issues or have any negativity to relay at the moment, and I've used these quite a bit, but should that change, I'm definitely going to update you all. But at the moment, these are great needles. They do perform and they are outstanding. They do what needles need to do. This is going to be the standard 14 round shader. And you can see that that needle is dramatically bigger than the 11 round shader. The 11 round shader is going to be on the left, and 14 is on the right. So you can see that alone is a dramatic difference right there. So this is the standard 14 round shader. Me personally, I love bolder configurations of such. They perform well. This is the 18 round shader. Let's take a look at this one here. So this is the VSelect 18 round shader. So as you can see, they all have the same design, but what does change is the needle configuration, the needle sizing changes. And that is the 18 round shader. So this is going to be the standard 11 round liner. You can see the round liners are a lot more tighter than the round shaders. Keep in mind that was the 11 round liner. This is going to be an 11 round shader, as you can see on the right and the left. The next one's going to be a standard 18 round liner. Let's check that one out. And again, same builds. The only thing that changes is the needle sizing. And this is going to be an 18 round liner. This is not a round shader. This is going to be 18 round liner. Let's move on to the mags here. So this one's going to be a standard 15 mag curve. And as you can see, this one changes to a red top. Needles look real smooth. We are going to check out the performance, so be sure to stick around for that. By the end of this video, you will be well acquainted with the VSelect cartridge needles here. And this is going to be a standard 23 mag curve as well. And the design dramatically changes from mags to round liners and round shaders, as you can see. It's a unique design. Haven't really seen a design quite like that one, with this little area right here. It's a unique design, I'll give it that. I haven't tested out the round mags, but if they perform anything like the round liners and round shaders, then we could only expect quality from the performance here. And these are the needles up close right here. What I would like to do now is test out some of the needles right here and kind of just dry run them for you all, so that way we can get an idea of how these needles run before we switch on over to performance angles. So this is going to be the EvoTech S tattoo machine from Easy Supply. I think this is going to be the 11 round shader. And as you can see, no issues at all. Clean, smooth, consistent pushing there. As you can see, all the needles go in with no problem. Lock it in. We're ready to jam. Solid, consistent needles. I could already tell these round mags are going to do great, as the other needles do. Let's test out another one here before we go on over into performance angles. This is going to be the 18 round shader. Lock it in. So very clean, consistent, solid needles. What I would like to do now is switch on over to a performance angle so that way we can really see these needles in action here. Let's go ahead and conclude the video. Allow me to relay some of my final opinions and some insight on how I feel about these VSelect Tattoo cartridges from Easy Tattoo Supply. For these VSelect Tattoo cartridges, everything aligned for me. I was able to get a smooth tattoo workflow utilizing these needles right here. From hanging out my needle, I didn't experience any wobble. I experienced next to no pulling as the ink flow was real smooth. Design is also compatible with any machine that I threw at it, so I didn't have to use a specific Easy Tattoo Supply machine. I could use any machine on my end and these cartridges would work in those machines. So right there off the top, so those are some of the main things that I do look for when it comes to needles. To conclude the video, I'm going to go ahead and give these a 2 thumbs up and a 4 stars. The only reason why I didn't give them a full 5 is because of that one dud, and I couldn't really figure out why I experienced that. But other than that, these are going to be an easily 2 thumbs up and a 4-star tattoo needle in my professional opinion. If I didn't touch base on something specific, or if you have any questions at all, I encourage you to drop a comment down below in the comment section. I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support on there as well. If you enjoyed my videos and found my channel helpful, consider becoming a Patreon or purchasing a Super Things down below. I would truly appreciate your support as well. Thank you all for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.